In today's Stock of the Day video, we'll be taking a look back in time. We'll review a stock that we ourselves invested in back in mid-January, which has now appreciated by 25%. This stock was also identified by our algorithm models, and all members of MyStockScanner were notified about it on March 1st. Since then, it has risen about 12% in just 5 days. You might be thinking that we're talking about an AI stock or a rapidly growing chip manufacturer. However, today we're examining the stock of Target, TGT, a company that operates discount department stores in the USA and is the second largest discount chain in the USA after Walmart. Why did this stock catch our attention? It's generally seen as a somewhat unexciting stock. Let us show you why we bought it. As always, we use the platform MyStockScanner, and here we find the summary page for the Target stock. We can quickly form a good overview of whether this is a good stock just by looking over the page. The stock has a quality score of 93, which means its quality is higher than 93% of other companies in the USA, based on our quality parameters. The value score is also high, as well as the momentum score. However, the momentum was somewhat lower when we made our purchase, as it has increased significantly recently. As we continue down the page, we find the PEG ratio, indicating whether we're paying a fair price for the expected future growth. We normally prefer a PEG ratio of max 2.5, and Target's is just 0.8. The next factors we consider are the F-score, bankruptcy risk, and analysts' estimates. All three are impressively strong and confirm that this is indeed a very solid company. Looking at earnings quality, they maintain reasonable margins and a good return on capital, especially for a discount chain. Overall, an outstanding business. So, when did we purchase it? Let's look at the TPI graph and discuss our timing. We invested in 2 stages for our own portfolio in January. Here, we observed that the long-term TPI trend was green. On January 19th, both the daily TPI and weekly TPI were in accumulation oversold, and that's when we bought our first batch. We acquired the next batch on January 29th, as the weekly TPI turned green as well. Our algorithm model identified it on February 29th, where all members of MyStockScanner could see it as a potential buy for March 1st. It's really that simple. You don't need an advanced financial education to spot solid quality stocks at a good price and to find the best time to buy them. That's all for now. You'll hear from us again soon. Take care of yourselves and your investments.